In another video, which its link is in description below, I talked about smart sirens, specifically the Philio PSE02 Z-Wave Plus siren. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair this device with Fibaro Home Center and what options this device offers in Fibaro. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos about Z-Wave products.
To add PSE02 to Fibaro Home Center, in Fibaro we must go to Devices. By the way, this is Fibaro HCL Home Center Lite. In Devices section, I click on Add or Remove Device. In the page that opens into Add Device Issued section, by clicking on Add, Home Center goes to inclusion mode for 30 seconds. I can increase the duration of learning mode to 60 seconds, but it's not necessary. If it's the first time you are going to add PSE02 to Z-Wave network, so it is not included to any Z-Wave network. By plugging on the power of it, it will start auto inclusion mode. I plug the power on. Its LED is flashing, which means the device is in NWI mode, network wide inclusion mode. It remains in this mode for 3 minutes. Now, if I click on Add in Fibaro Home Center, it will be added to Z-Wave network. You can see that LED stopped flashing. So, control device is lighting, okay. We wait till Fibaro finishes configuration the device. Device configuration finished. I go to Devices section. 2 devices are appeared in Fibaro. The first one is related to siren. If I turn it on, siren goes off. The second one is related to its tamper key. It's a security device. As we talked about its tamper key in unboxing the device, if its tamper key is press and hold for 5 seconds, its security mode is activated. After that, if the tamper key is released, siren goes off, and in Fibaro this device shows that. By removing the back cover, tamper key is released. This device has a multi-sound siren. It has 6 different sounds, but using it with Fibaro Home Center Lite, I couldn't find any way to use other sounds. Parameter 29, disable alarm, and parameter 31 is related to our alarm duration. by going to the setting of the device and advanced. At the bottom of the page we can add parameters. 31, which is 1D. By default it is set to 6. 1 tick is 30 seconds, so 6 means 3 minutes. We can change it to any duration we want. If I set it to 4 and click on save, after that, if siren goes off after 2 minutes, it will turn off. For using other sounds, we must use low code, which we can't do that in Fibaro Home Center Lite. For excluding the device from Z-Wave network, in Fibaro, in Devices section, we go to Add or Remove Device. At the bottom of the page, in Delete Device section, if I click on Delete, Fibaro enters exclusion mode and it gets ready to remove Z-Wave devices. Duration of learning mode or exclusion mode by default is 30. I increase it to 60, which is not necessary. Now Home Center is in exclusion mode. In order to have PSE02 in exclusion mode, on the back of the device we have tamper key and a circle button. Each of these buttons can be used to exclude the device. They must be pressed 3 times within 1.5 seconds. It is removed from Z-Wave network. Flashing it means it is not included to any Z-Wave network and it is in NWI mode, ready to be added to Z-Wave network for 3 minutes.